Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a two command is discussed here. First is hooper and second is rolled wall. Okay, and guys, previous lecture is a hooper is discussed here, and today this lecture is a part of hooper, and this lecture is a canonic hooper. Okay, and previous lecture is a surfacing hooper, and today discuss here a canonic hooper. Okay, next video is a rolled wall. Okay. Okay guys, at first open a CATIA software. Okay, this is a CATIA software interface, and at first create a two plane is a this plane is hide because drawing 3D part is a nice looking here, and your convenience is super. This is a 70. Okay, perfect. And drawing a okay, this is a click here and create a circle. Okay, this is a circle, and center point a circle, mention any dimension, diameter is a 24 millimeter. Okay, exit, and again drawing a this plane, create a okay, this is a perfect, create a again circle. Okay, this is a, and again diameter is a okay 42. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, 42 40. Okay, this is a 46 is better, exit. Okay, okay, this is a two section, two profile is drawing here, and at first all 3D commands is not activated at unless this set metal parameters command, unless we are not click this set metal parameters, then other command is not activated. Okay, at first click a set metal parameters, then thickness is 2 millimeter and default bend radius is 4 millimeter. All is a default setting here. Okay, this is a okay, and all 3D commands is all set metal 3D commands is easily activated here. And this is a hooper. I click here, and surfacing hooper is surfacing hooper is a previous lecture, and this lecture is a canonic hooper. Okay, and okay, this is a okay some missing point. Okay guys, this point is generated this circle, and at first point is created here, and click here. Okay, and this point is a click. Okay, this is a this point. Okay, this is okay. Okay, first point is a click here, again point is create here, click, and this is a this point. Okay, this is a perfect, click. Okay, two point is created here is this circle, and then use a now, then click a hooper command. Okay, and hooper command is a canonic hooper. Okay, canonic hooper is dialog box is pop up, and all you can see here. Okay, profile, first profile and second profile, opening line, first point and second point. Okay, 4.4 box is you can see here, and this is a first profile and this is a second profile. Okay, and opening first point, this is a first point, and again this is a second point. Okay, this is a preview is showing here. Okay, direction is inward outward. Okay, no problem, and the preview is showing here. This is a perfect. Okay, click. Okay, and double click here, and this is inward fixed side. Okay, this is a, and material is inward. Okay, outward, and this inward. Okay, this is a preview showing here. Okay, okay, this plane is hide because this body is looking so nice, and material is used. Okay, this is a plane is a, this is a section plane. Okay, this is a two section plane, first section and this is a other section. Okay, and section plane is a, this is a shading with material. Again this is a shading with material, and material is used metal. Metal is a metal is a steel. Okay, this is a steel here. Okay, and click OK. And again this is a steel, double click here. Reflexivity is a more, and this is a perfect. Okay, body is a perfect. Apply here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, so nice looking here. This body is so nice. This is a surfacic hoop. This is a canonic hooper. Okay, and isometric view is a so nice. And okay, this is a perfect. This is a okay, zoom out, good looking here. Okay, this is a perfect. Body is a perfect. Okay, so nice. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect body, you can see here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, isometric view is a okay, click here. Perfect. Okay, so nice. Okay, zoom out. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay guys, canonic hooper is discussed here. I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about today this lecture, you go to comment box and write a comment. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.